but I'm pleased to announce that we have a very special guest with us tonight. This star of the small screen is a personal hero of mine. His show ran on Canadian children's television from 1991 to 1998, Out and About. I'm sure you've heard of it. Oh, Out and About. Tonight with us to share some of his inspirational stories is Willie the Monster. Please welcome him. Hello, thank you for being here. Hit it. When the news is all bad, when you're sour and blue, when you start to get mad, you should do what I do. Tell yourself how lucky you are. I was born into this world a bright young man, singing and dancing for anyone who would watch. I had all the makings of a star. My parents were very supportive and put me in community theater shows. My Top 10 in The King and I was particularly well received. I won countless awards for my work. Well, you're really lucky. Not a lot of kids have such a great upbringing. Yeah, except, well, you see, one day my parents were driving me to my music lessons when we were pulled over by the police. That's the day I learned my parents had been dabbling in white-collar crime. They were arrested for embezzlement, and I was thrust into the foster care system. But I didn't waver. No, sir, I picked myself up and said to myself, when your life's going wrong, when the fates are unkind, when you're limping along and get kicked from behind, tell yourself how lucky you are. Well, needless to say, I became quite depressed. I started eating, gained 40 pounds, and dropped out of school. The only thing that kept me going were my aspirations of stardom. Well, one day I was reading the paper and I saw an ad seeking an enthusiastic young master with a positive attitude on life. And I went to the audition and got the job. The next month, I was in Toronto filming a pilot for my new show. Whoa, you're lucky. Your positive attitude really paid off. Yes, except during my years of depression, I developed a nasty drug habit. On the first day of shooting, a fire swept through the entire studio. The only thing that survived were me and a production assistant named Gary. It would be 5 years before anyone else would hire me. Why is it they wouldn't hire you? Well, on account of the drug habit, I couldn't really memorize lines. On the first day on set, I sexually accosted a makeup artist, got in a fight with a cameraman who turned out to be her boyfriend, and locked myself in my trailer and lit up my crack pipe. By the time they convinced me to come out, I left the crack pipe burning on the table. That's what started the fire. So we have when your life's going bad, you're addicted to blow, you're falling down fast, you don't know where to go. Tell yourself how lucky you are. Well, after a year in rehab and 8 months in prison, I finally convinced another network to give me a try. They did, and we were a hit. Syndicated in 8 countries, 13 languages, we were winning countless awards. Late in our 8th season, I was given the opportunity to be the new spokesperson for an up-and-coming religion. As it turned out, this religion was actually the cover-up for a child prostitution ring, and I was in the middle of the whole thing. I lost all credibility as a children's entertainer and slowly started to fade into pop culture obscurity. So be happy you're here, think of life as a as we all know it will. Tell yourself how lucky you are. Well, then one day I got a call from my agent. Apparently, I had been shortlisted to be the replacement host on a very popular Chinese television show. Apparently, Out and About had a huge cult following in Asia. I was on the first boat to China, but when I got there, it became clear that there was no TV show. There was no cult following. Apparently, monster testicles are a delicacy over there. One cliff, then inhale one more breath. Tell yourself. How lucky. These days, I mostly just sit around my apartment, wishing I had balls. And at the publishers keep telling me that it's too depressing. But I really do love coming here to share my all-too-inspiring story with you all. But, Willie, I'm not inspired at all. You made terrible decisions in your career, and it amounted to nothing. Right? Don't you feel so much better about yourselves now? Let's take it home, Tony!